welcome back to the channel. My name is Kat and you're watching Planning Calm. And here in this channel, I love to share with you all the many ways I can help you plan your way to calm and plan a calmer life. In this video, I want to share with you what you can do with your Happy Planner. I know there's a lot of my viewers out there who use and love the Happy Planner, and if you are one of them, comment down below and let me know. But I've gotten a lot of questions here on my channel and on Instagram and on TikTok to feature more Happy Planner products in my videos. So because I've been a long time lover of Happy Planner, I thought I would share with you some creative ways to use your Happy Planner planners if you happen to have some kind of lying around like I have, or if you're in the market for a new planner and you're just kind of on the fence about Happy Planner, why you should give it a try. So if you're into that, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more calming, planning, and organization content coming your way. So let's dive in today. So Happy Planner, what is it? Well, basically Happy Planner is kind of a universal, versatile planner to, pretty much tackle any type of planning or organization need that you may have. Now, why I love it is because it comes in a variety of different styles and different setups that you can use to help with your planning needs. So for me, I live in Canada. I live in Atlantic Canada specifically, and sometimes getting certain planners is very difficult. One of the things I loved and gravitated towards with the Happy Planner is that no matter where you are in Canada, no matter what province you're in, most likely you'd be able to find a Happy Planner in a Michael's store, Walmart, etc. So it's just very easy to get. Now, over the years, I've kind of switched planners and gotten in and out of the Happy Planner. That's why I have them, but I will continue to have them and kind of dive back in and out of them as my needs change. So when it comes to those needs, probably the most common need that people will want a Happy Planner for is for daily and weekly planning. So for me, what I love about the setup here, and this is just an old Happy Planner that I've had, if you have a daily planning need that you have. What I love about the Happy Planner is that it comes in various styles. So this one here is the dashboard layout. You could also get the vertical and you could also get the horizontal layout, and in various sizes as well. This is the big Happy Planner that I used to use for my social media planner, and you can use this as a household planner if you're a stay-at-home parent or a stay-at-home partner, and it would serve your needs really well. And with this particular layout, you can divide it by task, what's important, any notes you have to do, some highlight stuff, some habit tracking, and then your daily tasks like that. It's also great for goal setting. So if you're somebody who wants to keep track of goals or tracking whatever that may be, the monthly section is great because you can track your progress. You can use a variety of stickers, and the Happy Planners makes a ton of stickers. Raw makes stickers that are compatible with the Happy Planner as well, and you can color code them, you can write in them, you can do whatever you want to help you achieve those goals, and I think that's great. Now, the next thing you can use the Happy Planner for is basically household management. Now, I love just kind of keeping track of things in my house. As a wife, I like to keep track of how bills are being paid, our daily chores and things like that. And so I love the Happy Planner. Now this version here, this is the household Happy Planner that I got years ago. And I just kind of dip in and out of when I need to kind of really zone in and hone in on things I need to get done. So generally during the summer months when I have more time, but it's broken up into chores, for instance. So you can do chores, you can do a meal plan if you want to organize your meals. There's even a room for budget if you want to do some budgeting, and some house projects. So if you're working on, fixing a bathroom or, organizing a closet or doing some type of renovation, this would be great for that purpose. And it's really easy to in place. And I've used these pages before, love them. I've just taken the pages out so that I can have the planner for another purpose if I need to, but this is also great. Next up, one of the things I love about Happy Planner and their planners is it's really good for that wholesome, it's really good for wholesome development. And what I mean by that is that self-care, that, individual care type thing, mental health, things like that. And what I use this planner for is, and this is an old one, but I use this as kind of like my daily wellness planner. And so I used it for a variety of purposes, but at the time I was really struggling with a lot of things. I was in a really toxic job, and I was looking for ways in which to just really improve myself and improve my situation. And so I turned to documenting, and this worked really, really well. And it was a nice distraction to help get me out of my head. And I wanted to focus more on helping other people and striving to be a better person so that I could help people. And yeah, this was great. And so if you are looking for, any type of self-care or self-help tracker, this would be great for keeping track of your mental and physical health and wellness, your routines, even your skincare, relaxation time, any of those things that you want to prioritize and helping you feel better is great. And this planner is great for that. And it even has like a mood tracker in here too, all the things, a doodle page. You can't go wrong with this one. And this is just another example of how Happy Planner comes through. Now, another thing I love to use the Happy Planner planners for is for a faith planner. Now, for me, I've always been a person of faith, a woman of faith, and I love the fact that I can just really dive into my faith whenever I need to. And so this one here, I used it in 2022, and I used another one in 2023. So I kind of taken out the 2022 one and left the 2023, but I've actually changed my methods over the time. But I will not sleep on this. This was a really good start for me when I was getting started in developing a faith-based type of tracker and a system to use for my Bible reading and scripture readings, observations and things like that. I now have a different system, and I've shown it on my channel. I'll link it in the cards there. But this was a great jumping point for me to get started on. And from this, I was really able to hone in and kind of choose what worked for me. And this is a great option if you're someone who's looking for just a nice, simple, faith-based planner to do your planning needs in. Your faith planning needs in, that is. Alrighty. Next up is memory keeping. Now, Happy Planner is great for memory keeping. If you're somebody who, is an old school and you like to scrapbook and you like to just keep track of memories, you can use these planners as a scrapbook and add photos and ticket stubs and other memorabilia from special events and special things that have happened. There's lots of room in the pages here that you can even get those like printout sheets and cut them out with your pictures on them and decorate them if you want. Such a great way to use the Happy Planner. And yeah, it's great. It's great. And finally, you could also use the Happy Planner for your teacher planner. Now, this is an old teacher planner that I have used and loved, and I've just taken out the sheets. I've now since made my own planner for my teacher planner, but this was a great planner to use. And it was great. It was great. I organized it like this in terms of just being able to keep track of various activities, meetings, things that I was working on at the time, and it was great. I was able to just really keep track of all the things that I had to do, the classes that I taught, things that I had to work on or complete, and the layout of the Happy Planner Teacher Planner just really works for my needs. And yeah, it was great. It was really, really good. Also, what I love about these planners is they have the monthly view as well, and so you could always batch plan ahead of time, like for the month ahead, and just use what you need. And it's great. It's great. Definitely don't want to sleep on a Happy Planner. There's so many options out there for you to do your planning in. Happy Planner is just going to be one of those tried, tested, and true brands that will always have lots of options to provide you with your planning needs. And I really, really love Happy Planner. I miss using them in a way. I've just moved on to other things that is more keeping with my lifestyle, but I will never forget, you know, how far I've come with the Happy Planner stickers and with the Happy Planner planners. They've just been so great. I love these little things. Sorry, they keep tipping over and they're distracting me, but they're these crochet cacti that I got as a gift for my birthday, and I just love them. I got them from a student, and they're just so cute, and I want them to be in the video, but they keep falling over. But that aside, I just want you to, you know, don't sleep on Happy Planner, folks. If you're considering a planner and you want something that's inexpensive, easily accessible, easy to use, with lots of options, definitely choose a Happy Planner. It is great. And it's great if you just want to leave it on your desk and just, you know, leave it as a household planner. Or if you want to take it on the go, you can get a smaller one. They even have smaller ones available as well. And they're just great for the new planner, someone who's new to planning, or somebody who's been planning for a long time. I will leave my favorite Happy Planner based channels in the description below, because I learned so much about Happy Planner from these channels a long time ago when I was using the Happy Planner more regularly. But like I said, don't sleep on it. It's a fabulous brand, and you will definitely love your Happy Planner experience. So I hope you enjoy. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you were able to find some creative ways to use your Happy Planner. So thank you so much for watching, my friends. If you liked the video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more planning content to come. And until the next video, my beautiful friends, take care, be well, be blessed, and I'll see you all in the next planner video. Bye-bye, planner peeps.